Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today we're looking at 4 free-to-use AI video generators, some of which we've covered before. Let's jump right in. First on the list is Neuralframes. Go to neuralframes.com and click on Try for Free. Register with Google and click on Start New Project. On the next page, you can either create a new generation or create a generation from uploading an image or video. Once you drag and drop your generated file, it would automatically show you the prompt used in generating the uploaded image and the negative prompt as well. You can also use their prompt editor button called the Pimp My Prompt. At the bottom, you have the timeline to edit your generated videos to create a sequence. Once you're done, click on Render from Cursor to generate your video. The only downside is you get less than 10 seconds of generation for a free account. Next, we have Genmo. Log in with Google and click on Use our classic alpha experience to start using it without entering the waitlist. Click Create a Video. On the next page, you get to either create a new generation or upload an image for a starting frame. Once your image is uploaded, you start with this brush to either mask out the parts of the image you do not want to be affected. You can type in a prompt and the negative prompt in the Exclude section. You can add a second prompt or caption to generate variations in your video. Below, you can choose the settings of your video like duration, exploration, and dynamism, etc. When you're done, click on Make Video. Next, go to Plasmapunk.com. Click on Try It Now and register with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you get to choose from their list of available music options to create a video. You can also import your personal music files and also record your vocals with their recording tool. Click Next once you've selected a track and choose the section of the track you would like to use for the video. You get 1 minute or 60 seconds of free generation for a free account. Now you have to adjust the video settings. Choose Stable Diffusion and pick the 16:9 aspect ratio. Turn on Disable Watermark and Super Resolution, then pick a camera setting for the movement of the video and select your starting image. On the next page, you can select your filter styles and hit Next. Now type in the idea or prompt of your video to generate with the starting image you uploaded. Turn on the Cut Between Scenes effect and click Generate Video. Now wait for a few minutes for it to generate. Once it's done, you get an email containing the generated video in high resolution without watermark. Next, we have RunwayML. Go to RunwayML.com and click on Try Runway for free. You can either do text to video or image to video. There's also video to video. I'm going to drag and drop an image here for the generation. You'll get 4 previews for you to select the best that describes what you're going for. I like the third, so I'll click on Generate Video for it to generate. Now let's try image to video by clicking on Image to Video. Click on the image icon. Now drag and drop an image to generate a video from. You can choose to include a prompt. Once you're done, hit Generate. It gave us a totally different image, and that's because we added a prompt. To generate a video from your starting image, leave the prompt field blank as we're doing now. And now you have a video from your starting image. Please remember to like and subscribe to get updated on the latest free AI tools to up your creativity. It helps us to keep making these videos.